Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video since we don't have class tonight due to reading day. I'm giving you an update on the agenda for the week, the assignments that you need to do, and then also letting you know about our next project, which will start after we submit our final draft for project one. We'll begin project two. So here's the announcement that I sent out this past weekend, kind of walking you through what needs to be done. So again, as a reminder, we do not have our class tonight, and it looks like I'm on the wrong page. If I go to the announcement that I haven't published yet for week 8, there we go. You'll see that, again, we don't have class tonight for the reading days. And this is the video, again, introducing Project 2 and also letting you know about the assignments for the rest of the week, okay? So as a reminder, these are assignments that were due today. On your own, instead of our 2 lessons we would cover in person, you guys are going to cover Ed Puzzles 10A and 10B. In addition to what you would have done asynchronously anyway, which is the Ed Puzzles 10C and 10D. You also have your Lesson 10 practice, previews 11A through C, as well as your Project 2 checkpoint. So let me go ahead and introduce Project 2, as well as just kind of review information from Project 1. As a reminder, for Project 1, your final submission is due Thursday evening, so that's the 17th at midnight. To find that, if you go to Activities, Assignments, and then scroll down to where you see Project 1 final submission. Your goal is to make edits based off the feedback I left you for Checkpoint 1 and Checkpoint 2. You'll see on the right-hand side for your screen, it'll say like feedback unread. So again, make sure you read the feedback, make edits, and then submit your final submission. I'll grade that on Friday or Saturday. What we're rolling to is Project 2. So how do you look for information on that? If you go click on the content and scroll down on the left-hand side, where it says course projects, we're now going to be beginning Project 2, okay? And in Project 2, you have an overview and instructions, kind of like the previous projects. And again, it's your summative assessments for units 3 and 4. We're going to talk about the central limit theorem in this project, the confidence intervals, which you're going to learn about tonight, and then your one sample hypothesis test as well, okay? So again, this is basically like your test for units 3 and 4 in the form of this project, okay? So how do you complete it? Well, it's going to be just like the previous projects. You're going to download a template, type in answers to questions related to the data that you collected back at the beginning of the semester. So you are using the same data. You don't need to collect new data. So that's one less step that you have for this project. So if you click on the hyperlink, it'll download a template to Microsoft Word for you. Or you can open that in Microsoft, the online version connected to your Dell Tech account. And you'll see the questions laid out once you click Enable Editing. Make sure you obviously save it with your name. Type your name here and you can begin. And so this first checkpoint is questions 1 through 10, okay? And they kind of start off just kind of reviewing information. What percentage did you end up picking as part of an article back from Project 0, the project plan into data collection, question 3. From your data, right, talk about your sample proportion that you collected. And then obviously you're going to start to create a categorical variable. So I'm not going to go over this in detail because, as always, there is a very handy video guide that will help you through it. And so if you click on this video, Central Limit Theorem Checkpoint, we have one of our instructors kind of walking you through how to complete Project 2, just kind of like you had for the previous projects as well. So definitely pay attention to that, to this video guide. It's very, very helpful.
Once everything's perfect.
To find that, if you guys click on video, Central Limit Theorem Checkpoint, and you watch it as you're completing it, you'll be in really good shape. Okay, so that's it. That's all I wanted to say. And again, I just wanted to send this email out and video out just to remind you that we don't have class tonight. Please reach out via email if you guys have any questions. If we need to set up a time on Thursday evening to meet, we can definitely do that as well. So with that, have a great week, and I'll see you all next week. Thanks, bye.